Twitch predictions. On this tab you can see a table of all predictions created on Twitch within the last 90 days, along with an information pane showing details about the selected prediction. By default, the table is empty and is cleared each time Streamer.Bot is closed. You can change the width of all columns by dragging the separators. If you double-click on a separator, the column will resize to fit the width of its largest value. You can't sort anything in this table. In the table you can see title, the prediction's question, users, the number of users who voted, points, the total number of points held by this prediction, winner, the outcome that won, state, the current state of the prediction, active, the prediction is running and users can vote, locked, the prediction is stopped from receiving votes and is awaiting resolution, resolve, the winner outcome has been chosen, resolved, the prediction ended and points were allocated to viewers, cancelled, the prediction was cancelled by the broadcaster. If you right-click anywhere on the empty space in this area, a context menu will appear with the following options. Add allows you to create a new prediction if there is no active prediction. Refresh update the predictions table by retrieving all predictions from your channel from the last 90 days. In the Create Prediction dialog you can set the title Prediction Question, up to 45 characters. Add outcomes, minimum of 2, maximum of 10. Each choice can have up to 25 characters. To add an outcome, enter the text in this field and click Add. Remove outcomes. Select an outcome and click Del. Set prediction window between 30 seconds and 1800 seconds, aka 30 minutes. If you select a prediction, the information pane will display title of the prediction, outcomes with how many users voted for each outcome, how many points users spent on each outcome. If you right-click on an active prediction, a context menu will appear with the following options. Add. It will be disabled, because you can't have two active predictions at the same time. Lock. Stops voting and locks the prediction. Resolve. Lets you choose the winning outcome from the available options. If no outcome is selected, the prediction will automatically be cancelled by Twitch after 24 hours, and all points will be returned to the viewers. Also, you cannot start a new prediction until the previous one is resolved or cancelled. Cancel. Cancels the prediction and returns all points to viewers. Refresh. Updates the predictions table. If you right-click on Other predictions, a context menu will appear with the following options. Add. If you don't have an active prediction, you can add a new one. Run again. Creates a new prediction with the same parameters and starts it. Refresh. Updates the predictions table.